These curried red lentil burgers with mint raita are one of my favorite make-ahead veggie patties. They're so easy to make. You start by sauteing a red onion, and then you're going to add your spices. We have ground cumin, turmeric, and Aleppo pepper, or you can use some red chili flakes and some salt. Then add your quinoa, get it all toasted in the spice mixture. Add your red lentils, gluten-free rolled oats, and your water. You're going to bring it to a boil over high heat, and then once that's going strong, put the lid on, bring it down to low, and simmer for 15 minutes until all of the liquid is absorbed and the mixture is nice and sticky. And in the meantime, we're going to make our mint raita. I've got some full-fat yogurt, cucumber, jalapeno, cilantro, scallions, and salt. Mix it all up, and that's going to give our crispy veggie patties a lovely cooling crunch on top. Once the quinoa lentil mixture is done, we're going to take that out and add some fresh herbs, mix it together, and then you can see it's really sticky. It's going to easily form into patties. Just take a greased 1/4 of a cup measure and add that mixture onto a parchment-lined sheet pan. Just pat each burger down with your hands and form it into a thin patty, and then we're going to put it in a 425-degree oven until nice and crispy. Flip it once, return it to the oven for a few more minutes, and then take it out. You want them to hold together nicely and have that great crust on both sides, as you can see. Then load it onto gluten-free buns or whatever your vehicle of choice was. Top with some raita and some cilantro or mint, and serve. These are so beautiful, and each element can be made separately and then assembled to order. There you have it, curried red lentil burgers.